Let's look at how we can organize the board information into different groups. This new board starts with two groups, to do and completed. They're color-coded, collapsible, we can rename them, and boards have their own three-dot menu, visible when you hover over the group header or next to the group handle. Let's open this to take a look at our options. The main things I want to draw your attention to are that you can delete and archive this group with these items at the bottom of the list. And you can duplicate or move the group to a different board as well. Many of these other options, like collapsing and selecting all items and renaming, we can do those from here in the menu, but we can also do them from the group itself without opening the menu. Let me show you that using a new group. So let's go to Add Group, and this will create a group underneath the group that we just clicked on to add it. If we hover over this group name and select it, we can rename it to anything that we want, and I'll call this one In Progress. Similarly, if you've clicked to rename and you hover over and click this colored swatch, we have some color options here as well. And using groups like To Do and In Progress and Completed is a fairly popular way to structure work. But in some scenarios, it might make sense to group your work in a different way. For example, at Medix Media, there are a few of us video creators that work on tutorials, my coworkers, right? So for us, it might make more sense to create a group for each video creator. I'll go ahead and rename these three groups.